entered the tennis court, and I must say the gear we got looks pretty suspicious. It's not the best quality, but we're not the best players, so let's see how it goes. The last couple of days have been kind of slow because Sina and I have both been feeling sick. We've just been chilling, hanging out, trying to get better. And today we are going to see a bridge here in Germany, and then we are driving back to Czech Republic. Making some lunch before we hike to the bridge. Do you want to sit over here? Yeah, we'll sit here. Okay. We're on our way to the bridge. I'm just walking in the woods. It says we'll be there in 20 minutes. The issue is when you don't want too many tourists, but you're a tourist yourself. And it takes away from the experience when you're in nature and there's like so many people that you could be in like a big city. But that's the way it is. Now we're going home, changing our shoes, and then going for a run. Then a shower, then food, then relax. We've been in Czech Republic for a week now, but we've been sick. I've been sick the entire time. Stina's been sick almost the entire time, and she's still sick. I'm kind of feeling better, but I didn't sleep last night because I was coughing, so we're not 100%. But today we are hiking. We're hiking up to see a tower here in Czech Republic. It's called Jisted, and that is the plan. We woke up at about...
Are you sure it's not the mountain that's called Jisted?
Oh,
I don't know.
maybe it's the mountain that's called Jisted.
Something is called.
Yes, but we are hiking up to see that mountain, and then that is the plan for now. Then we'll see what else. How much energy we have left after that.
I do not think I have any.
Yeah, we are not 100%, but you know, we still have to see things. So, let's go! We are on our way up the mountain. We parked at the closest parking lot, so it's not that far of a hike. You can see the tower right there. But look at this view. So now we have the master in the kitchen, Cinnamon. She is making a noodle dish. We bought this tofu with teriyaki flavor, and we're trying that for the first time. And then she is preparing some noodles, and I'll go out and fly the drone. This is where we played the last time, and afterwards we were walking back to where the van is, and I had to do multiple stops, and then just as we got back to the van I puked in the bushes, at least just outside the van. So hopefully I won't do that here. We bought these ones at a store here in Czech Republic. It comes with this balloon case, whatever. And they look like this. Let's see how good we are. This has been our park up for the past 2 days. We've been trying to film like a little van tour. We have this gorgeous view here. We are in Slovakia right now, and we are making our way down to Serbia. We have to be in Serbia in a week, so we have to figure out where we're gonna stop on the way. I really want to see some of the mountains here, but I don't know if we'll have time for that because it's in the other direction, and we should probably be driving towards Belgrade. So we're making fresh spring rolls with peanut butter sauce. I freaking love peanut butter sauce. Just rice paper, then the peanut butter sauce. Then you do some cabbage, some carrots. You can do whatever you want, but this is what we usually do. Carrots, red pepper, I like bell pepper, whatever. And then some mango and some chicken. The icing on the cake, some crushed up peanuts. Then you roll it up and eat it. Delicious.